Reliability. It's the one thing that quietly determines whether you love your car or regret buying it. Because here's the reality. You can forgive a car for being slow. You can forgive it for not having the biggest screen or the flashiest badge. But what you can't forgive, constant breakdowns, expensive repairs, and that sinking feeling when your dashboard lights up like a Christmas tree. Nobody buys a new car hoping to become best friends with the dealership's service department. So which cars in 2026 are the least likely to let you down? Today, we're counting down the 10 most reliable vehicles currently on sale, plus the 5 brands with the strongest overall reliability performance. And this isn't guesswork. This data comes from the 2026 reliability study conducted by What Car in partnership with MotorEasy. Over 32,000 car owners participated this year, 227 different models, 30 brands. The survey focuses specifically on cars up to 5 years old. That's important. Why? Because that window covers the standard 3-year warranty period, plus the next 2 years when many owners start paying for repairs themselves. Owners were asked a simple question: has your car gone wrong in the past 2 years? If yes, what failed? How much did it cost? How long was the car off the road? Was it still drivable? Because reliability isn't just about whether something breaks, it's also about inconvenience and cost. A minor issue fixed in a day under warranty isn't a disaster, but a major fault that leaves you stranded for weeks? That's a nightmare. We're only including cars still available to buy in 2026, even if some have received facelifts or updates. Before we start, I need to say something important. If you watch videos like this but haven't subscribed yet, you're missing out. This channel is built to save you thousands of dollars on your next car. No hype, no brand bias, just real ownership truth. So take 2 seconds right now, hit that subscribe button, and join thousands of smart drivers who refuse to waste money on the wrong vehicles. So, let's begin. Here are the 10 most reliable cars you can buy right now in 2026. Number 10. The HyundaiKona Hybrid. Starting at number 10, the HyundaiKona Hybrid. Now the Kona lineup includes a mild hybrid version and a fully electric variant, but interestingly, it's the standard full hybrid model that proved most dependable. Only 8% of owners reported experiencing any faults at all. That's already impressive for a compact crossover. And what kind of issues appeared? Minor ones, mostly related to bodywork or non-engine electrical systems. Nothing mechanical, nothing catastrophic. And crucially, no cars were left stranded. 2/3 of the affected vehicles were repaired within a week, and Hyundai covered every single repair bill. That's huge, because even a minor repair can feel stressful if you're the one paying for it. The Kona Hybrid offers excellent fuel efficiency, comfortable daily usability, and modern tech without reliability anxiety. For buyers wanting hybrid savings without service headaches, it's a smart and reassuring choice. Number 9. KiaNiro Plug-in Hybrid. At number 9, we have the KiaNiro Plug-in Hybrid. Overall reliability score, 99.0%. Only 6% of owners reported any problems. The most common issues? Braking system concerns and minor non-engine electrical faults. But here's the key detail. Every single affected vehicle remained drivable. That means no roadside breakdowns, no towing bills. A quarter of issues were resolved within a day. Half took more than a week, which isn't ideal, but Kia covered all repair costs. The Niro PHV offers electric-only driving for short commutes and petrol backup for longer trips. That dual-power flexibility often introduces complexity. Yet, in this case, complexity hasn't translated into unreliability. For drivers wanting plug-in efficiency without mechanical drama, the Niro stands strong. Number 8. The PorscheMacan. Number 8 might surprise you, the petrol-powered PorscheMacan. Important clarification, this refers to the older petrol model, not the new electric Macan. Only 5% of Macan owners reported any issues. Reported faults were limited to minor electrical glitches and occasional gearbox concerns. Half of the affected vehicles were repaired within 24 hours. Only 25% took more than a week, and Porsche covered all costs. Luxury brands don't always shine in reliability rankings. Repair bills can be eye-watering. But here, the Macan proves you can enjoy premium performance without constant mechanical worry. It's a rare example of German performance meeting real-world durability. Number 7. The VolkswagenTRoc. At number 7, the Volkswagen T-Roc. This outgoing generation has been on sale since 2018, meaning many surveyed examples are 4 to 5 years old. That makes its performance even more impressive. Just 4% reported any issues. Most common problems? Minor bodywork faults, some gearbox complaints, and occasional electrical issues. 1/3 were resolved within a day, the rest within a week, and 99% of repair costs were covered by Volkswagen. Even better, all affected cars remained drivable. For a small SUV that's been on the road for years, that level of durability is exceptional.
Number 6.
Toyota RAV4. Sixth place goes to the Toyota RAV4. Toyota's reputation for reliability is legendary, and the RAV4 continues that tradition. Only 7% of owners reported faults. Most issues were minor: 12-volt battery problems, infotainment glitches. About 38% of faults made cars temporarily undrivable, but every single issue was resolved within a week, free of charge. The RAV4 remains one of the most practical mid-sized SUVs available in 2026. Hybrid efficiency, spacious interior, optional all-wheel drive, and most importantly, long-term durability. For families who simply want a vehicle that works year after year, the RAV4 delivers peace of mind. Number 5. VauxhallGrandland. At number 5, the new VauxhallGrandland. This 2025 redesign has dramatically improved reliability compared to the previous generation. Fault rate? Just 4%. The older 2018 to 2024 model? A worrying 19%. That's a massive turnaround. All reported issues involved minor non-engine electrical problems. All affected cars remained drivable. All repairs were completed within 24 hours, and Vauxhall covered every cost. That level of improvement shows what can happen when a manufacturer learns from its mistakes and refines its engineering. For 2026 buyers, the new Grandland is a much safer bet than its predecessor. Number 4. The ToyotaAygo X. Reliability score? 99.7%. Just 3% reported any issues. All faults were minor bodywork concerns. No mechanical failures, no breakdowns, no stranded drivers. Every issue was fixed free of charge within 24 hours. The Aygo X is one of the cheapest new cars on sale in 2026, and yet it's also one of the most dependable. Simple engineering, small engine, lightweight design. Sometimes simplicity wins. Top 3. Perfect 100% scores. 3 cars achieved something remarkable this year. Not a single owner reported any faults requiring repair in the past 2 years. 0. Number 3. Toyota GRYaris. A performance hot hatch, 300 horsepower, all-wheel drive, rally-inspired engineering, and 100% reliability. That's extraordinary. Performance cars are typically pushed harder, driven more aggressively, stressed more mechanically, yet not one owner reported a repair issue. The GRYaris proves reliability doesn't have to mean boring. Number 2. Kia EV3. Second place, the Kia EV3, a compact electric SUV that launched smoothly and stayed that way. No early production glitches, no battery issues, no electrical nightmares. For buyers hesitant about EV reliability, this is incredibly reassuring. The EV3 combines strong range, practicality, and now proven durability. And number 1, the Hyundai i10. And the most reliable car you can buy in 2026? The Hyundai i10. 0 reported faults, not one. Owners praise its solid build and trouble-free ownership. It's affordable, compact, practical, and apparently bulletproof. Sometimes the simplest cars are the strongest. Top 5 most reliable brands. Now let's look at brand-wide performance. Out of 30 manufacturers, number 5, Vauxhall. Huge improvement thanks to the Grandland in solid petrol models like the Corsa and Astra. Number 4, Toyota. 3 models in the top 10, a few weaker performers kept it from climbing higher. Number 3, Suzuki. Average score 95.7%. The Swift stood out for efficiency and durability. Number 2, Mini. Consistent reliability across the lineup, even older EV models scoring respectably. And number 1, Honda. Top overall reliability score of 96.6%. No weak links. Every model ranked within the top 50 overall. That level of consistency is rare. Honda proves once again that long-term engineering discipline pays off. So, there you have it. the 10 most reliable cars you can buy right now in 2026 in the 5 brands that lead the industry in dependability. If you want a car that won't leave you stranded, that won't drain your savings on surprise repairs, that simply works every day, these are your safest bets. Real-world data, over 32,000 owners, no marketing hype. If this breakdown helped you narrow your shortlist, hit that like button. Subscribe for more car buying insights, ownership advice, and industry deep dives, and tell us in the comments what's the most reliable car you've ever owned. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Reliability isn't flashy. It doesn't show up in horsepower numbers or giant touchscreen displays, but it's the difference between enjoying your car and regretting it. Choose wisely, drive confidently, and we'll catch you next time.